2 crore, any paddle coming in at all? Any team coming in at all? At 2 crore for Venkatesh Iyer. At 2 crore, do we see a paddle? Do we see a team? Any interest? All through then, all done, no team coming in. Last chance looking around the room. Thank you, LSG. 2 crore is bid up front with the Lucknow Super Giants at 2 crore. At 2 crore, I have bid with the Lucknow Super Giants. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? Opening bid is up front with the Giants, the Super Giants at 2 crore. All done then, and selling. Gujarat asks for a second.
1 crore 50, thank you, RCB. At 1 crore 50, RCB has bid. At 1 crore 50, do I have anybody coming in ahead of?
Sorry, I can't see a paddle.
1 crore 50 now. It's with the Royal Challengers.
Are RCB bidding?
1 crore 50, all done, all through, ahead of
2 crore 20 is here. At 2 crore 20, sorry, I couldn't see that paddle. At 2 crore 20, I have with the Gujarat Titans. At 2 crore 20.
And selling far back of the room then.
2 crore 40, say the Lucknow Super Giants at 2 crore 40.
50 lakh. RCB, that's
At 2 crore 40 to 60 is with the Gujarat Titans. At 2 crore 60. 2 crore 80 for LSG. At 2 crore 80. Fans certainly approve. Gujarat is out at 2 crore and 80 lakh with the Lucknow Super Giants now. At 2 crore and 80 lakh. 3 crore, welcome RCB. At 3 crore now, welcome RCB. At 3. 3 crore 20, back with LSG. At 3 crore 20, 340, Royal Challengers. 340.
And can we open here at an opening bid of 2 crore, please?
At 3 crore 40.
2 crore, do we have any bids?
Ahead of you, Lucknow, with Bengaluru at 3 crore 40.
Thank you, LSG.
All through.
Right away at 2.
Done. At 3 crore and 40 lakh with the Royal Challengers, center of the room here. Any other team coming in ahead of that? At 3 crore and 40 lakh, I will sell, if we're all done and everybody's completely sure, Sunrisers asks for a second.
320, LSG. 340, Kolkata. 360.
No, done. She says no, 3 crore 40, back with Bengaluru at 3 crore and 40 lakh. At 3 crore 40, center of the room with the Royal Challengers, ahead of everybody else. Last chance then. And selling in the center, 360, KKR comes in. At 360, say KKR. 380, RCB comes straight back at 380. 380.
750 for Kolkata. 775.
At 380. With RCB. What does Kolkata say? They say 4 crore. Kolkata says 420. RCB comes straight back at 420.
Kolkata is out at 7 crore and 75.
At 4 crore 20.
8 crore comes in with RCB.
440 for Kolkata. 460 Bengaluru.
At 8 crore. 825 for Lucknow. At
480 for Kolkata.
850 goes to RCB.
5 crore, say Bengaluru at 5. At 5 crore, Kolkata is discussing their next move.
925.
520. 540, straight back from RCB. Not yours now, Kolkata. 540 with RCB. Let's see what Kolkata says.
975, LSG. 10 crores with the Challengers.
At 5 crore 80 with the Royal Challengers. 6 crore, say the Knight Riders. 620, straight back. With RCB now at 6 crore 20 lakh.
Any other team coming in? Currently at 10 crore.
640, say KKR 660.
At 10 crore.
RCB comes straight back at 6 crore 60.
1025, thank you, Mumbai.
Let's see where we go. 6 crore 80. 7 crore, straight back from RCB.
1025,
At 7 crore now, straight back with RCB.
1075 for the Mumbai Indians.
Not yours, Kolkata. They've asked for another second. At 7 crore now.
11 crore RCB. 1125
Done.
is Mumbai.
At 7 crore, KKR is out with the Royal Challengers Bangalore. At 7 crore for Venkatesh Iyer. Anybody else coming in? Last chance if any other team would like to come in as well. Currently, it's with the Royal Challengers, center of the room. And I'm selling all through, all done for any other team to come in. Last chance, I'm selling for Bangalore at 7 crore. Venkatesh Iyer sold to RCB.